Ow. That's my left hand. I'm not left-handed. You can say I'm weak, but I'm left-handed. Hi everybody, welcome to the show. It's not a show, it's a 10-minute YouTube video. If you want to call it a show, I guess that's cool, or whatever. Hi Pancake. Welcome to the channel. I said that already. Here, there's some stuff. I must be Mitch, and I haven't done a video in quite a long time. Lucky you. Hello, pals! It's Beater Box Friday. I know these don't happen very often anymore because, hey, I got other stuff going on. If you don't know what I'm doing with my time, go to my Twitter and look at the pinned tweet because it's probably the best thing in the world. But we do have another Beater Box today from Sole Supremacy. Check them out, solesupremacy.com. They are opening up memberships because Derek, the owner, is leaving. So follow him on Twitter at Sole Supremacy to find out how you can partake in these boxes and make better videos than these. This box was $1,175 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $1,225. That's counter. It's a clearance. I'm just gonna roll with it because I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Let's open the box and see what's going on in here. Here's the last box we opened. It was pretty garbage, which a lot of boxes from Sole Supremacy have been pretty garbage lately. So let's hope this breaks the curse. For those of you who don't have Twitter and don't want to see what I've actually been doing with my time, I've been walking dogs a lot lately, and honestly, walking dogs has been pretty awesome, and I'm pretty good at it, so that's why I've been doing it more. Why not do something that you're good at and love more than something that you love but aren't very good at, like these videos? This is high ticket. We'll see how this box comes out. Well, the first thing I see on top, well, there's no loose pairs, so that's good. This first thing is Kith Converse. It's a size 8.5 Converse Kith collab. I don't know anything about these. I don't pay attention to Kith at all. So, sure. Here it is. It's a Converse Chuck Taylor Kith collaboration. I don't know anything about it. I don't know what its deal is. It's got all over Kith branding, I guess, which is cool if you're into that brand, I guess. And it's got a dust bag and it's dead stock. So, good start to the video, me. 8.5, some kind of Kith Converse collab. Hey, if you want to buy those and they don't sell on StockX or Goat First, you can go to my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That website is spmitch.com. While I have you too, come back Monday. So, this coming up Monday, but I'm doing a live Beater Box unboxing. We're gonna unbox a $650 Beater Box live on the YouTube, streaming it up, and that will be at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Monday, March. It's the 7th. I don't know what date it is, so I just had to edit it in there. But come back Monday night for a live unboxing. Haven't done one in a while. It's probably gonna be the last Beater Box for a while too. Back to this box though. This is a size 9 Blazer Mid 77 Vintage EMB. Oh, it's these. Okay. Oof, this is a rough colorway. Hey, they're dead stock though, so that's good. This is the popcorn Blazer Mid, obviously because it looks like margarine or butter sauce or whatever. It's got this like nice little hint on the tongue of popcorn, and the Nike on the back is kind of weird. This is a fashion-forward casual sneaker that's, you know, probably gonna have some kind of draw, I guess. I don't know what the resale value is on them, but it's a cool shoe, I guess, and it's dead stock, so you can't complain. Size 9, pretty decent size. Blazer 77 popcorn, interesting. Oh, it's got this little hangy thing here that looks like a popcorn kernel. That's pretty cool. Pancake disagrees. Let's get this one out of the way. We have a size US men's 10 Jordan 11 Retro. As you can tell by the box, I just hit myself in the face. If you're aware of what this box is, these are the 25th anniversary Jubilee Jordan 11s that came out holiday 2 years ago, I want to say. I think we got a DS pair of Jubilees. That's pretty cool. I mean, it's a simple black and white Jordan. It's kind of 72 and 10 reminiscent, but just a little more of a traditional material on a Jordan 11. Got this like milky white outsole. I'm like 99% sure these are dead stock. There's no wear on the bottoms. I mean, you can see there's nothing going on. So, okay. Can't complain about that. Jordan 11s are always gonna have a draw because they're one of the most iconic Jordan models there are. This is an okay colorway if you're into it. Size 10, Jordan 11 Jubilee. 25th anniversary. Huh, cool. All right. 3 shoes, 3 dead stock shoes. Can't complain about that. What's this? Size 12.5 Jordan 14 Retro Low. Rare size, you don't see that much. Oh, cool. So these are worn. We broke the streak. This is probably my favorite Jordan 14 colorway. This is the Laney Low. This is a really, really cool colorway. I'm just a big fan of blue, and then you mix in with the yellow, and just the way this shoe is color blocked, it just looks really, really cool to me. You can see the outsole has some dirt on it, but it doesn't look like there's much wear or anything like that. So these are actually in really great shape. They just need a quick cleanup. Got a full Jumpman on the insole. Nope, I'm not even gonna try. I don't have lights that'll work with my glasses right now, but it's got a full Jumpman and a size sticker in here. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, cannot complain about this. 12.5, pretty, it's a hard size to come by, so I know they don't produce many 12.5s when releases come out, so this is probably a good get. Size 12.5, Jordan 14 Laney Low. Good box so far. What's this? Size 11.5, Kobe 11 Elite Low Black History Month. I know exactly what this colorway is. We'll just see what the condition's like. So these are worn, but holy smokes, these are in really, really great shape. My chin keep hitting the microphone. Yeah, it's the Kobe 11 Black History Month. The outsoles are in really great shape. The notorious thing with these is there's always a lot of heel drag because it has a weird tread on the outsole. These are, they just need to be cleaned up and they'll be pretty much good as new. I mean, hardly any insole wear. This might be pretty decent money, I will say that. Nothing like crazy, but this probably accounts for at least 1/3 of the box because Kobe's, as you know, because of various reasons, have gone up in value. Kobe 11 Elite Low, Black History Month. Cool, good box so far. That's a nondescript Nike box. I'm gonna hold that last because it might be weird. Size 13, Jordan 12 Retro. Oh, okay, cool. Good size for 12s too. And this is a good colorway to get. These are worn, pretty lightly worn though. Full Jumpman and a size sticker. These are the Gamma Jordan 12s. You have a little bit of discoloration on the outsole here. You can see it's a little bit yellowed. But overall, these are in really, really great shape. I mean, there's just dirt and stuff that needs to be cleaned up. But there's like no heel drag really. Just need a really, really solid cleanup. This is a, I mean, this is a colorway you don't really see very often. But these are in good enough shape, and it's a size 13 and a Jordan 12. That's a really good size to get, so cannot complain about this. Yeah, good shoe to get. Jordan 12 in a size 13, Gamma 12s. This is the last shoe too, sorry. See, I haven't done videos in so long. Nike Precision 5 in a size 12. Oh, thank God it's a replacement box. Okay, this is not a Nike Precision 5, whatever that is. This is a size US men's 12, good shape. Got a pair of black toe ones. This is the 2016 release. I can tell by the colorway, I can tell by the shape, and I can tell by the leather quality that this is the 2016 release. Pretty much all the OG colorways of Jordan 1s shot up like crazy, and this is one of the OG colorways. You can see the condition. There's a little bit of toe box creasing. The leather is very good on these, so that's good. You have some outsole wear. There is a little bit heel drag, but there's hardly any star loss, so these will clean up really, really well. Unfortunately, it's a replacement box and there's no secondary laces or anything, but it does have the original insole, and this is definitely, this is a good shoe to get. So I think this box might actually break the streak of crappy boxes, so can't complain about that. Here's your last shoe out of size 12, Jordan 1 Black Toe, 2016 release. That is a $1,175 Sole Supremacy beater box. I think this box is pretty good. I think it's better than a lot of what we've been seeing lately, but let's take a deep dive and see what the numbers say right now in the breakdown. Again, another box that's not like mind-blowing, but it's probably better than the ones you've been getting. I also have just been getting lower priced boxes because, I'm not gonna lie, sales are slow right now, so I can't really afford big boxes like this one, but we did it this time. Hey, if you wanna buy any of these shoes, they're gonna be available today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on my website. You can find that website by going to sbmitch.com in your internet browser, whether it's on mobile or desktop, or if you're weird and use some kind of tablet, I guess. Hey, remember to come back on Monday, this Monday, coming up in 2 or 3 days or whatever, how much time it is. But this Monday at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will be unboxing a $650 Sole Supremacy beater box live on YouTube, streaming it up. I have a pretty decent setup thing. It's gonna be over on my desk, so the backdrop is gonna be a little bit different. But swing by, it'll be pretty fun, I guess. And that'll probably be the last beater box for a while because I'm going to be out of commission for about a month due to some medical stuff. So, hey, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. You're cool and stuff. And how do I do videos? I don't remember. That doesn't matter. Hey, we'll see you next time. Take care of each other. Remember to keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Toodles.